I am Pakistani and you are Mr. Pakistan. And today this video I will teach you how you can make a home automation. So Wi-Fi control home automation. So table. First of all, when you sitting on your bed, so most of the time you need to turn on your appliances and off. That time you can set up your bed and then the place to turn on in order to turn on and off your appliances. So that is a very difficult thing. So that's why I made a project called home automation using Wi-Fi. So you can connect if you have home Wi-Fi network, then you can use a mobile app or some circuitry and reverse engineering. Circuitry and some tooling to use made a Wi-Fi control or cell phone control home appliances on, off. And this time you can use 4 appliances in here, but I don't have 4 relays, so I use single relay as a single appliance. Then turn on 4 appliances on, off, on, off. First what I did to do, there was no MCU. ESP8266 is used. I not touch it because this circuit is connected with the 220 mains. So if touching condition, it will get electric short. And this is a single channel relay module, and there are relay channel 5 volt of the relay module is connected to a node MCU 3.3 volt, because you may know node MCU and total voltage is 3.3 volt, and relay also should be worth on 3.3 volt to 5 volt. This relay is worth. So if 3.3 volt to 5 volt of the relay down to the node MCU down, and node MCU pin number digital 3 is I am used there digital 3, digital 5, and the 2 more pins are using in here, which I later tell you which pins I as a single pin, which is connected to a single pin of a relay, and relay thermal terminal is connected to the home socket and home extension board, and extension board other terminal we connect the other wires, which connect this bulb 220 volt bulb, and this bulb other wires connected to this relay module, normally open terminal. So what happens, and this power bank powered by node MCU powered by power bank. So there I am loading IP, which is first time you can connect this thing to your laptop and open a serial monitor in order to obtain the IP address. And that time you will not turn on this setup with mains voltage, otherwise it will till your laptop. That's why first we can make this circuit and check it with obtaining IP address to a laptop. Then move from laptop, and you can use power bank or charger for powering the node MCU. This time you can use a charger or any power supply, which the 5 volt, but there is isolation power supply because it is for this mains voltage and the power supply will mix each other. So that's why it leaves the not you can use power supply or laptop to power node MCU and power with power bank or any kind of battery. So now loading this IP on and off, and this thing you can drive with different range. This appliance this setup working from a full home, 3 or 4 flats. For example, if you are sitting on bottom flat, top flat or bottom flat is appliance is available, then your top and bottom flat internet is connection is same, then you can control this thing from top flat to bottom flat appliances using this stream. But this stream is only work on single Wi-Fi, meaning local network. So if you are sitting in one city or one home and you can try to control this setting home appliance with different network, it will not work. So you can see the tone in my laptop screen afterwards once I finish this video, and one more try to this setup on and off. Similarly, you can control 4 appliances at same time on and same time off individually, and individually on and off and same time on off. If you use a bigger load like 2 to 3 ampere, more than 2 to 3 ampere load, then you can put one more relay, bigger relay with output of this relay. This relay can drive other relay, and other relay can drive bigger load. This relay can handle only 1 amp of maximum current. Now I explain a total of the home automation IoT based home automation tool using Node MCU. First, include ESP A266 Wi-Fi.h library for implementation in the Wi-Fi client semicolon. This command used to for client implementation. Wi-Fi server port 80. Constant chatter password. Constant chatter SSD. Here we put your SSD and here we put your password of your Wi-Fi router or any device which device you can leave hotspot. String to maintain equals. There define int relay 1 equals 1, relay int relay equals relay 2 equals 3, int relay 3 equals 12, int relay 4 equals 14. So pin number 3, 4, 1, 3, 12 and 14 pins are digital pins, which is the output pins where you can relay. This time you can change the pins because Node MCU right now latest version Node MCU's pins have maximum 8 pins. So there are 0 to 8 pins, total 9 pins. So you can put any number between 0 to 9 digital pin which you are using according to your requirement. And here within 11,500 for serial communication. Pin mode relay 1 output, pin mode relay 2 output, pin mode relay 3 output, pin mode relay 4 output. So here we put up all the relay as a output. Digital wide relay 1 I, digital wide relay 2 I, digital wide relay 3 I, digital wide relay 4 I. So initially both relays is I. Wi-Fi connected, server begin, server start here, and then client equals server available. So it can Node MCU what as a client, your cell phone or any device which is not this as what like a server, it will client chat server is available if client returns command equals chat client. And there are some statements here, and if command equals relay 1 on, so same thing, it's put 3 times commanding equals turn on relay, commanding equals relay 1 on. So it put different types on, digital wide relay 1 off. So initially relay 1 is on, it will what we have to do, it will pull down or cut off the relay or off the relay by using this first statement. Else if commanding relay 1 off, commanding equals turn off relay 1, commanding relay 1 off, digital wide relay 1 on. So if relay is initially first statement, first else condition is that when normal condition, if relay 1 is on, the towards turn off the relay, and if relay is already turned off, then turn on the relay in setting condition. If third condition, if commanding relay R2 on, commanding it was turn on relay 2, commanding it was relay 2 on, digital wide, relay 2 low. So same thing happen in setting relay. So it's initially if it is I, then third condition is used to turn off the relay. If relay is initially on, and similarly if fourth condition is also same, if else if to maintain it was relay 2 off, to maintain it was turn off relay 2 to maintain relay 2 off digital wide, let me install here, relay 2 on. So similarly first it will first statement, there's first condition then monitors the relay on condition, then it turns off, and second condition it checked relay if already turned off, it will turn on, and third condition check setting relay whether it's off or on. If it is on, it will do off, and fourth condition also monitors if relay 2 is initially off, it will turn on. Similarly, this way all them to the first relay to 4. This process repeat 8 times or more times, which times your relay is using. How many, it is depending how many relays you are using. So it's using 4 relays, so it repeats 8 times, 4 times for on and 4 times for off. And then lastly, digital wide relay 1 low, digital wide relay 2 low, digital wide relay 3 low, digital wide relay 4 low. And if commanding equals ALLOF, commands turn off all devices. So if you select off button, cell phone will send the ALLOF all off command to this. That is, it will turn off all the relay digital wide low, relay 1 to relay 4 low, digital wide, otherwise digital wide relay 1I, digital wide relay 2I, digital wide relay 3I, digital wide relay 4I. Send back echo command equals, so it will send command echo back to Android device. So it will send a pin to the cell phone, void connected Wi-Fi, for connection the Wi-Fi, serial print connection connected to Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi within access the password, Wi-Fi while Wi-Fi status is not equal to well connected for Wi-Fi connections. For this command can tell you when your connection is properly paired or not paired with internet. Delay serial millisecond serial print dot. If not, internet is not connected properly, serial print dot. Serial print Wi-Fi connected if Wi-Fi connected. Serial print in MCU local IP, which IP you can put your phone. Serial print Wi-Fi local IP, and there is white line, not line it was available delay 1 second. If this checks whether the client is available or not. If available, then it not, otherwise it will wait for 1 millisecond. String request equal client read string unit request removed 0 comma 5 request remove request length minus 9 dot 9 return request and send back echo string echo, and there is line print the website print a dashboard website, which website it will send the local web page user URL, which URL it can the remote function. I mean the on off switch function, echo line print HTML, the line print HTML, and delay 1 second. And there's the code. And this video is end with next video very soon. Pause.